Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this guide, I will show you how to fix Disco Elysium, the final cut, crashing, not launching, or black screen issue on PC.
Fix 1. Restart PC and close background apps Step 1. Restart your computer Step 2. Close overlays, Discord, Xbox Game Bar, MSI Afterburner. Fix 2. Run the game as administrator Step 1. Right-click Disco Elysium. Exe Step 2. Click Run as administrator. Fix 3. Verify game files Steam Step 1. Open Steam Library Step 2. Right-click Disco Elysium Property Step 3. Installed files, verify integrity. Fix 4. Update graphics driver Step 1. Open NVIDIA/AMD/Intel driver app Step 2. Download and install the latest driver. Fix 5. Disable full screen optimization Step 1. Right-click Disco Elysium. Exe Property Step 2. Open compatibility Step 3. Check Disable Full Screen Optimizations to apply. Fix 6. Delete config files Step 1. Press 1 plus R, paste %app data %Step 2. Go to ZUM Studio folder Step 3. Delete the Disco Elysium folder Step 4. Restart PC and launch the game.